Okay, so like in our previous parts, we discussed how we like install the KLayout, the the document that we need to connect the KLayout and Lumerical interconnect, and we also showed the like WDM example. So now in this part we want to change the parameter like the waveguide widths, bends in the like in this example, and we want to see the effect on like the parameters uh, for the numerical interconnect. So let's change the layout properties to Loom Foundries, then click yes. So first let's look at the result. So we have a grating coupler here. We can consider this grating coupler as a like input, and we can consider this 4 grating coupler as output. I mean we want to analyze the WDM. Actually we should see the grating coupler behavior, and also because of the Mach Zehnder we should see some constructive and destructive behavior. Let's run the simulation. If I run the simulation, if I go to the circuit simulation and export circuit to the interconnect, so again similar to the previous one, make sure that the element name is the same as like the name that we use here, so top. So I will click OK. Okay, so you see the numerical interconnect result. So as you see here, we can see a grating coupler response, as you see as an envelope here, and also some instructive constructive behavior. So because of the Mach Zehnder, and also we have like 4 signals here. Okay, so now let's remove the just we will keep the input 1 and input 2. So now in the KLayout, let's change the width of this waveguide. Okay, so if I click on partial part, you see partial, and then if I change to the waveguide like here, okay, and so we increase the length of this Mach Zehnder, so it should be effect on the input 1 and input 2. So let's see the result of input 1 and input 2 in the numerical interconnect. So now I will rerun the simulation, export circuit to the interconnect, the same procedure. So okay, as you see here, let's remove the input 4 and input 3 and just keep the input 1 and input 2 and open the the original one. You see, because of changing the width of Mach Zehnder, how constructive and destructive behavior changes. I mean, so we can change the width, change the length, change the parameters that we wish in like in KLayout, and we can do our research on that. Yes, thank you.